Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. In today's drawing, I'm going to be trying something totally different. I'm going to be trying to draw a crushed can of Coke using my Copic markers and some coloured pencils. As always, I free-handed the drawing in with a normal pencil. I used the Caran D'ache 2H pencil for this. I then went to start with the aluminium top, the silver top, and I went through cool grey 1, 3, 5 and 7, and I also used a black for the opening. This was a really challenging piece. Like I say, it's unlike anything I've done before. I've been recently doing lots of anime and manga cartoon characters, lots of Marvel superheroes. So I just thought I'd really challenge myself and just see if I could develop a few more new skills. Had a look at a few images online, found a can that I really enjoyed the look of, and I thought I'd give it a go. I'm using a CADMIUM red for the majority of the can and a CARDINAL red for the darker areas. The shadowed areas I'm using a black pencil crayon. This is just to add a little bit of dimension, and to try and get the reflective look to this, I'm also using a white pencil, a white coloured pencil, just to try and bring out a lighter area of red, as the light is obviously reflecting off different surfaces and different angles. You get some areas that are lighter and some areas that are darker. If you're just doing this in a graphite, basically all you're doing is you're getting a different value, so a darker grey, almost to a black in certain areas. But using the coloured pencils and the Copic markers was a little bit of a challenge. I'm actually colourblind. I don't know if you knew this. If you've watched any of my earlier videos, I have mentioned this before, but like I say, I'm colourblind, so I do struggle with reds and things like that. So this is a learning curve for me. The thing that I really like about the Copic markers is they actually tell you on them exactly what shade they are. So it really helps me out with that. I also get a little bit of help from my daughters from time to time as well. So, you know, I don't believe in anything stopping you from doing what you want to do and what you dream about doing. And I started off drawing with graphite only, graphite pencils. It made sense to me, the different values and tones. But I thought recently I'd push myself. So I'm going to be doing a little bit more realism. I'm also doing request videos. So if you've got a request, you want me to draw something, a character, an anime character, superhero character, or it could be something obscure like another crushed can, then leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like me to draw. We're sort of coming towards the end of this video, so don't forget to get hold of me on my Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. The links to all of those are down below in the description. I've really enjoyed drawing this video, this Coke can. I hope you've enjoyed watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys, and hit the notifications icon, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.